Welcome to ACCA Advanced Performance Management, or the APM study. So in our CBE mock exam platform, that we allow you to practice our APM mock exams using our online platform that would be very similar to the actual exam or the ACCA's one. Now, for example, here's the question from the mock, and you can click through different exhibits, and then you can highlight, the tests as you read through the exhibit information, and you can also strike through the information that you read through or you found that they will be irrelevant to your answer. At the same time, you can zoom in so you can see the tests more clearly. It's entirely up to you. And then you can answer the question in the answer box and submit the mock exam, clicking this button, and our experience marker will mark your mock exam, providing you with constructive feedback very quickly. So this really helps alongside with our knowledge course and the revision materials, and you will pass the APM exam very easily with our help. And I look forward to your exam success very soon. Bye-bye.
APC, accounting for your future.